In a world where costs matter, high-precision rotary tables shouldn't cost a fortune to procure, install and maintain. At Eppinger, we have addressed each of these issues separately and designed a rotary table that is uniquely precise, smart, flexible and easy to use. As a standard feature on all Eppinger rotary tables, our integrated direct measuring system provides positioning accuracies of ±5 arcseconds without sacrificing access to the center bore for accessory connections. Increase your productivity and decrease maintenance costs with our twin-drive, backlash-free gear train. The electrically preloaded motors help create worry-free mechanics for the lifetime of the rotary table. In addition to that, our unique active position control holds its position during light-duty machining without time-consuming clamping. Reduce cycle times by predictive axis and clamping control, where our smart features enable the system look-ahead function to make quick indexing. The hydraulic multi-disc clamping system generates very high clamping torques. At all times, the position of the table is monitored, and in case of deviation, the user is immediately informed. An innovative design approach enables the rotary table to be mounted left, right, horizontal or vertical without any design change. This symmetrical design, combined with our unique interchangeable faceplates, gives you maximum flexibility for changeover requirements. Expand your system easily with our wide range of accessories like support tables, cradles, tailstock, rotary cylinders, rotary joints and work holding solutions. Our Eppinger interface makes rotary table installation fast and easy. Simply install the interface on one or more machine tools and you'll have the ability to move, exchange and add rotary tables in a matter of minutes. A product as unique as your requirement. Eppinger Rotary Tables. Revolutionizing the world of rotary tables. Trust us with your next application and see for yourself.